Gregor Mendel is the father of genetics. He showed us how genes are passed down throughout generations. He showed us this with different experiments using cross-genetics. To start the process of creating our baby dragon, Mom and Dad flipped the coin twice to determine their genotypes that they will donate to their offspring. When you flip the coin twice, you notice your traits that were given to you from your parents. Then, after flipping the coins, we pick up 5 popsicle sticks representing the green, yellow, orange, red, and sex chromosomes, which are the traits. Then, for each color autosome and sex chromosome stick, Mom and Dad flip the popsicle stick on the table. The side that is up represents the chromosome that is passed on to the baby. Mendel's law of segregation is when the alleles segregate and combine, dropping the sticks on the table and transcribing the letters on the sides facing up. This follows Mendel's law because the alleles are being chosen randomly. Mendel's law of assortment is when the inheritance of one trait has no effect on the inheritance of the other, so the inheritance of one trait has no effect on the other color chromosome. This chart shows that the alleles donated to their offspring are capital A, which is homozygous dominant, which leads to no chin spike. Also, capital C and lowercase c are heterozygous, which leads to 3 head flaps. The genotypes can also be homozygous recessive, which is, for example, lowercase g, which leads to a bad cup. Our baby dragon came out male with 2 sex-influenced traits, wings, and no elbow spike. He also came out with sex-limited traits, which is a small comb on his head. Lastly, our dragon has 2 codominant traits, eye pointed at each end and yellow spots. The traits that are more likely to be found in males are elbow spike, comb on head, fire breather, and no spike. These might be an advantage to the sex because males have to hunt for food and these traits are good for protection, and if they get into any trouble along the way, these traits will help them out. The traits that are more likely found in females are back hump, long arms, and no chin spike. These traits might be an advantage to the sex because the females have to take care of their babies and they have to hold their babies and also protect them.